Presentation by 8th Spark students.
7:30 in the evening. Don't you remember school tomorrow?
But Mama, listen now.
I shall not listen to you. You must remember you should come back from the park by 7. As your punishment, I am cutting off your TV time.
But Mama, why?
I still need an explanation. What took you so long to come from the park? Otherwise, I will complain your dad and also cut off your playtime too.
But Mama, please don't do that. Oh, calm down. Let us explain to you what had happened in the park. In the park. Simran, what happened? Simran, what happened?
Coach, it is so painful.
It's bleeding. Let me look for your mom. Simran, try to get up. Please calm down. Nothing will happen.
I can't get up.
Simran searched for your mom, but she had went somewhere. Come, Simran. We will take you back to home. Now you understand what had happened in the park.
Oh, my children. So nice of you. Now get down to do your homework.
Okay, Mama. Someone is on the door. Let me check in. Hello, Simran. How are you now?
Hi, Manira. I'm fine.
Please come in.
Hello, Mrs. Kapoor.
Hi, Simran. How are you?
I'm fine. I am here saying to thank but Manira very for helping in the park. My mom's always tell me gratitude for one's kindness and help. Thank you so much. Moral: we should always be grateful for the small steps of kindness, and it might visit change the world. Gratitude towards others will definitely change the world. So always show gratitude to others. Thank you.
Thank you.